Hey there, Vanessa DeBurle here, and today I'm going to teach you how to schedule a YouTube video. Why would you want to do that? If you are consistently scheduling videos and you want to make sure they're at the same time every day, it's kind of hard to get on every day and make a YouTube video and upload it at the same time. So there is a way that you can schedule them, and you can upload 4, 5, 10, ahead of time. So it's very convenient. So let's go to your YouTube channel to get started. And hit the upload button. And once you hit the button right here, okay, I'm going to show you up here, like right here, it says select your file to upload. Stop right there. Do not upload your file. And you're going to go down here. Usually I have it set on public as a default, but I want to go down here and hit scheduled. And now I can upload my video. I'm going to go back up a little bit here. It would make sense that you could upload it and then schedule it, but it doesn't work that way. All right, and then I want to show you here on the right, you're going to go down, and it says the 4th, that's actually when I want to schedule it, that's tomorrow. And I like to schedule mine the same time every day, so I can pick the time, and 7 p.m. And it's all ready to go. So once I finish putting all the other information in the description, my playlist and all that, it's ready to go for the 4th at 7 o'clock. And again, you can schedule them months ahead. It doesn't have to be just the next day. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe below. I'll have more tips for you, just some of these simple things that, we don't know how to do until we learn, right? So schedule those videos, and I'll see you on the next video.